Hi everyone! Thank you for visiting my channel. Well guys, we are on the way going to the city and I will do my check-up today and I'm going to buy a new fridge from someone. Thank you sis and Kuya for the gift and thank you, you are so kind that you asked me to do my check-up for my health. Thank you very much to both of you. Well guys, we are here now. We are almost there and we are going to get the money that my sponsor sent to me. Here we go guys. We are almost there. We are traveling by a tricycle. Here we go guys. We are in the city already and it's bit traffic, so it takes time for us to arrive to the place where we go. And we're going to the mall guys, one of the mall to get the money that they sent to me. Enjoy watching the place guys. This is Antipolo City. Well, we are inside the mall already guys and get the money that they sent to me. And after here guys, we are going to the doctor for my checkup. Enjoy watching the place guys. Well, we are here now for my checkup. We are here for my laboratory guys. And now I'm waiting for my turn. Well guys, here we go. After my check-up, we went to the mall and eat our lunch here. We are inside the mall now guys. We are going to eat our lunch. While waiting the food guys that we're going to eat for our lunch, I'm taking a video for you guys to see how the mall in the Philippines. So we are going to eat here guys in this place. So here we go. After here guys, we are going to the store, the appliances store, to buy my new fridge for my sponsor gift for me. So here we go. We are here guys to the store and I'm choosing a fridge. So this is the fridge guys. This is all the appliances that they have. So I'm looking now guys for a fridge that I wanted to buy. So I'm choosing this black one guys. And after here we are going back home. There we go guys. We are traveling going back home to my place. So as you can see guys, we move slowly because it's very traffic. Super traffic because there is an accident in here. So I get time to take a video on the overlooking. So look, I get down from the tricycle to buy some drinks and take a video of the traffic. Look guys, the car moves too slow. And here's the tricycle that I am riding. We are waiting. Look guys, the ambulance is there. Even the ambulance cannot go in there because of the heavy traffic. This is how Philippines is. The rest of the people are walking already guys. Look. And this is the truck guys. That's why there is a heavy traffic in here. This is what happened. I took a video for you guys. This is a big truck in the middle of the road. So we used only one way to go in. The one way cannot use it already. So this is it, guys. This is what happened while there is a heavy traffic in here. And here we go. We passed through the traffic, guys, and we are on the way back home. So look, alternate. The other side will go, and then it's our time again to go. And alternate, guys, because they use only one way. We are on the way back home. Enjoy the view, guys, of the road. Well, guys, thank you for watching. This is my way, guys, going back home. So here we go, guys. Hope you like the view of my place. Thank you, guys, for watching. Like what I said, as always, smile and be happy, guys. Take care and be safe always, everyone. God bless us all. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for your kindness and support.